So it really depends on the dog or cat. Laser therapy is available and can be used for several different things. One being to help decrease pain. So we have several dogs that have back problems, such as like disc disease. Some of them have arthritis, even my own dog that's had it after surgery. So it helps to decrease the pain. It also helps to decrease inflammation. We are offering post-op laser therapy now to try and help decrease inflammation after surgery. So it does help them heal a little bit faster, speed up recovery time, make them a little more comfortable a lot faster. Also helps with ear infections, helps with swelling in the ears. So there's several different uses, and they're continuing to research and find more and more ways that laser can be used to help out dogs.
Cool.
It is not painful. I've actually used it on myself to make sure, and I've used it on my own dog as well. And it does get a little bit warm, but we do have certain settings that we use to make sure that we're holding it in one spot for a certain amount of time to where it's not hurting the animal, but it does just get a little bit of a warm sensation to it. So as far as acute pain goes, for more of the short-term kind of pain, it does help in decreasing swelling and inflammation, so especially for those dogs that have sudden back problems. But for those that have more along the lines of arthritis, it is something that over time that joint develops inflammation, and so being able to just be doing that laser therapy on them pretty often. We even have some that come in, once a week or so to get laser therapy done. It helps to decrease that swelling and inflammation within those joints.
Cool.
So during laser therapy, as Demi is demonstrating here very nicely for us, they do wear goggles so that their eyes are being protected from the laser beams. Same thing for us, we wear goggles as well so that the laser's not directly shining into any eyes. But then we also do focus on not holding the laser in one spot for too long so that it's not getting too hot for them and making them uncomfortable. There really aren't very many risks to it other than, your dog could feel a little bit warm kind of as far as at the actual site. That's usually pretty temporary, but generally there aren't really any other side effects. We've only seen benefits so far. So it is a good idea for us to do an exam prior to doing laser therapy. That way we can kind of get to know your dog, get to know your schedule to see if laser therapy is something that can even be accommodated in your schedule, because it does actually take several visits for us to do laser therapy and have it be actually effective. And it does also allow us to do an exam on your dog if we haven't seen that dog before to determine if laser therapy is actually going to be beneficial, and determine, exactly what kind of plan that we need to set out for your dog. So as far as results, it really does vary. It varies as far as what's going on. If we have a wound that we're trying to allow to heal, it can take, a few weeks for it to really completely resolve. But if it's something as far as inflammation due to arthritis or just joint pain in general, generally after about 3 to 4 cycles of laser therapy, we do see some improvement.